What's up guys, it's me Jimmy. If you bought the Sony A6400, you wanna shoot the videos, click on, go to the movie mode. Okay, here we are at the movie mode right now. So yeah, so from here you can shoot the video, but I have put in 4K 24 frames per second. Even I change, go to the menu, camera setting to page 1 of camera setting, again menu, camera setting to page 1, and from here I can put in HD to record in 1080p or 120 frames per second. Even I record 4K, I just click 4K. Yeah, that's how you shoot in the movie mode. Subscribe and bye.